All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and I'm here to go over my trades for today. Man, it's been a really bad week. A really bad week. Man, I think one green day this week. Yeah, pretty bad. Two max loss days, completely unacceptable. None of the days are days where I feel like, it just happens like that. You just took a good trade and it just didn't work out. Like all of them have felt like just poor trading on my behalf. Today I took this AI trade, which was it's unnecessary, bro. It's way up there, wide range, all that good stuff. It was just unnecessary, man. Too early too. I really don't think I should take any trades till 10 o'clock, honestly. I got to go through my journal and see if I see any quality setups that I've taken before 10 o'clock, because I really just want to make a hard line and just say I'm not taking trades before 10 o'clock. But that being said, I did manage it pretty well and got out just about break even. But it was a mid cap and the market was pulling back while it was trying to break out. And I just felt like the market kind of bogged me down. But I mean, honestly, it ran up so much on the opening candle. Really, when it opens like this, I almost just be like, you know what, just move on. Just move on. But yeah, I think I'm really just done with the mid caps altogether. I hate the market. Like the SPY is down. Like I'm trying to see why it's not going to target, and then I see the SPY is downtrending. Like I'm just over that. I'm done with it. It just you got to be aware of a whole different thing to trade those, and I'm not. I'm in small cap land right now, so that's where I'm going to stay. All right, so I actually had a really nice trade on this stock right here. I'm really sad that I let it slip through my fingers again. That's just what I've been doing, man. And then like it's like the problem with waiting for sell signals is if it comes before you want to sell, then it just doesn't work. Like the sell signal came, but it came on my entry candle again, and I didn't want to sell that. And then I added and it struggled at the previous high and I still didn't want to sell it. So, just like if I'm going to read and react, the thing about trying to read and just sell, you have to be emotionless. You have to not be worried about where the price is going to go. It just has to become a game. And I'm just putting the arrows in the best place that they can be. But it's just constantly worried about the money. And I can't really blame myself right now. I have a really small account, have a lot of pressure on me, just went full time doing this. So, it's a lot. It's a lot, man. And man, what happened here? Did happen here. What is this? Okay, so this is the violation right here. When I put my line in the sand, it has to hold the line in the sand. Like, what's the point in putting the line in the sand and then it trades below and then you take it down here? Like, what was the point? You know? So I put my line over this high, and the idea is that it has to trade and close over, which it did, and then it has to retest and hold, and it did not. It literally fell all the way back down to the EMA, just completely ignored this level, which means the level was, I mean, it just turned back into resistance, as you can see, and you know, so this was a poor trade. Um, yeah, just really poor execution. Just totally threw away the rest of my day with that trade. But Wedo was pretty decent. I just didn't take profit, man. I just didn't take profit. I was sitting up nice on it too, man. Over $600 in profit for sure, especially after the ad. And I just sat there and watched it, bro. Sat there and watched it. Watched the 15 make a new low, which is definitely anytime I'm in a stock and the 15 makes a new low, it's time to get out. That's like the new rule I'm going to be writing down tonight. But yeah, I'm so anxious to catch those big home run trades that I'm missing out on the little base hits that I extremely need right now to pad my account. Like it's just a weakness. It's just I'm super optimistic. I'm greedy. I don't know what it is, but I have to I I have to hit my targets. Like this one, I definitely wanted high of day. And that's what I was holding for. Like I was thinking about selling some at 4. Some, like It's just the wrong mentality, bro. So I gotta just, it's just, I can nip it in the bud. We'll work on it. But for right now, I'm just gonna nip it in the bud and 2R all or nothing this thing. Like that's it. That my hotkeys already set. What I normally do is I delete the bracket order and just put a stop in and wait to sell. But I'm not doing that anymore, man. I'm gonna hit the entry and then I'm done. And we just gonna sit back and wait. We're just gonna sit back and wait. The only thing I might do is sell if I see a sell signal before 2R. I'd like to definitely do that. I think that would be really good of me. And that would also help, build the habit of selling on sell signals while still having my order there, to take profit. So, yeah, I think that's cool. I think that's cool. That's all I got, man. I'm just coming in tomorrow. We're going to do 2R all or nothing for all of next month. And we're going to do that. I don't see a reason to not do that. I just want to be a 2R ninja. I'm just dip in, get my 2R and dip out, bro. Straight like that. Straight like that. And I think the better I get with my entries, the easier it's going to get. It's going to get easy. Because I really want to start using the trigger candle as the low. It's just kind of risky though. Look, this one actually did make a new low after it. Yep, this one went down 1 penny. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna maintain my lows, and we'll just have to wait for those narrow range opportunities and look for those opportunities to add. And yeah, I think we could do it, man. I could have got in right here for real, if we're being for real. But anyway, that's it, man. Let me get out of here. I gotta run. I got this tomorrow. 2R all or nothing. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for my line in the sand to get crossed, and I'm gonna wait and see if it holds. And if it holds, I'm in there like swimwear, straight like that. And if it don't hold, then I'm not touching it. If it's not a narrow range candle, I'm not touching it. And I'm not touching my 2R take profit order either. I don't care how fast it gets there, how strong it gets. If it takes me out and sets up again, then I can always jump back in, and now I got a cushion, So also another thing I kind of need to pay attention is, a typical uptrend, like 3 highs is kind of the average, So we got 1, 2, 3 major highs. You could include that one too, but like this is exhausted at this point. Like I should have definitely, especially how low this high was compared to this one. Like it barely went higher, So at the minimum, I could have raised my stop up underneath that 5-minute candle, or minimum break even. I just be holding and hoping so much, So I want to get better at defense too. I did really good with AI. I was really proud of myself for not letting this thing take a bunch of money from me. This one, actually, I did put my stop under the 15-minute low, and that was a great exit. I thought to do it on Wito up here, which was this candle, but I just didn't, man. I just really wanted it to go higher. Just really wanted it to go higher, man, even with the 15-minute breakdown. So I think that's one thing that's going to help out a lot. I'm going to use that 15-minute low as like my minimum stop. And 2R all or nothing, baby. We got this, man. Big day tomorrow, man. Appreciate you guys for hanging out with me. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. And I'll see y'all at the open, man. Peace.